Hello friends, this lecture is also available in the Urdu and Hindi language. If you want to watch in the Urdu and Hindi language, you can take the link in the description of this video. Today our topic is mathematical function for 16-bit data and 32-bit data. 16-bit data also called one word, as 32-bit data is also called double word because 16-bit equal to one word. And we will learn about addition, subtraction, division and multiplication in Mr. Bushi PLC. This is a lecture number 14, and don't forget to subscribe our channel and also like and share our video with your friends. As we know, in PLC both data 60-bit data and 32-bit data are handling, and this lecture we will learn how to use mathematical function on both data. So this is one table. In one side is a function addition, subtraction, multiplication and division, and in the mid column is a 16-bit data command add, subtraction, multiplication and division, and last one is for 32-bit data commands DAAEE for addition and DSUB for subtraction, and same DMUL for multiplication and DIV for addition. Okay, so if we want to add 16-bit data, then we have to use these commands. If we want to add 32-bit data, then we have to use this command. Okay, we cannot use 32 data by this command because this is a for 16-bit data. Now let's come on the software and generate a project. Is a simple project. PLC series FX CPU and PLC is FX3U and language is ladder diagram. So first we will learn about 16-bit data. How do we add and subtraction, division on 16-bit data. After that we will learn about 32-bit data. So I will take first input x01 and use addition. As we know, ADD for 16-bit data. So I will use like K4000 is for first digit, first and the second, and result will become on D0. Okay, you can see here add for 16-bit data, 16-bit as for first over digit, and this is a second digit, and this is the over result on D. Okay, this is addition. Add more rows for other commands. Okay, and use vertical line and SUB for subtraction, and same K4000 is over 16-bit data, and D1 will be result, and same DIV division K4000 and again 4000 and D2. Okay, last one is multiplication MUL and K200 and K110 and D3. Okay, now compile the data over program and simulate the program. You can see that time all the data register has 0 value. When I on my input, you can see addition 4000 plus 4000 equal to 8000. If I minus 4000 minus 4000 equal to 0, division 4000 divided by 4000 equal to 1, and multiplication 200 multiplied 10 equal to 2000. Okay, all the data in 16-bit. okay, because you know maximum value of the 16-bit data is 32,000. okay, now let's work on 32-bit data. If I change K 4000 by 14,000, and you can see PLC give error, okay, and give the detail. If you using a add command, you have to use 16-bit data, but this one is the K 14,000 is a 32-bit data, so it will not accept by PLC. okay, we give the error, so cancel it and press D. okay, D add. Sorry, I have press 1 here. okay, D add and press OK. No, PLC accept this. Same here, if I use 14,000, this is a 32-bit data, and press OK, PLC give error. And same error if you are using SUB subtraction command, you have to use 16-bit data. So for this I will use D. okay, same here, I will use 14,000 and double D, and same 20,000 and D will be here. okay, now compile your program and simulate the program. And you can see all the answer is not correct. Just this one has correct answer, multiplication, but addition, subtraction, division, both 3 command has wrong answer. okay, you can see multiplication is okay, division, subtraction, addition is not okay, because D0 is 16-bit data handling data register. okay, but the answer is 32-bit data, so we have to use D0 and D2, because D1 automatic will add this data, and same here we have to use a D2 and D4. D3 will be work with this one, so I will stop one and I will change for you. This is a D0 and I will use here D2, and here I will use D4, and here I will use D5. Because D0, D1, D2 are 16-bit data register, but our answer is 32-bit data register, so it's 32-bit data, so automatic 16-bit data will be shipped D1, automatic other 16-bit data will be shipped D1, and same here D2 and D3 will be handled 32-bit data, and D4 and D5 will be handled, and here is D6, should be D6. okay, because in our last program only multiplication okay, because next one is empty, but now you compile the data and simulate your program. This time all the data register has 0 value, and you can see no answer is okay. 40,000 plus 4 equal to 44,000, 40,000 minus 4,000 equal to 36,000, and same is division is equal to 10, and multiplication is also okay. So is very understand thing. All the data register handles 16-bit data. So if you want to work on 32-bit data, you have to empty next one, D0 and D1 for this one, D2 and D3 for this one, D4 and D5 for division, and D6 and D7 for multiplication. You cannot use D1 and D1 for here, D2 for here, for the, because we are handling 32-bit data. Okay, it's easy for 16-bit data, but it's not for 32-bit data. You have to empty one data register for this one, D1, D0, D1. I hope you understand the working on the 32-bit data. If you have any question regarding this lecture, you can raise a question on the comment box of the video. Our team will be answer you as soon as possible. Okay, bye.